Please join us in rising for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Well, welcome back. I am excited to be in the hallways. I'm excited to see everybody here today. It has been a long 5 months. On March 13th, that's when we left the school halls. And on August 13th, we returned. And we are excited for the year. We know it's going to bring many challenges for all of you. But we've got to make sure that we do our part, because now that we're back on campus, we've got to do everything possible to stay on campus. Please follow all the guidelines that we have set forth regarding the mask and the distancing. Do everything you can to ensure that we continue having school right here on campus. I know we're all in this boat together. This whole journey has been very difficult for all of us in different areas. I look back, we're going to learn from the past. We're going to learn from the things that we did, and we're going to continue to try to use technology in different ways. We also got to look to the future. We've got to make sure that we're preparing for the future. But most important, we got to stop talking about when things get back or this or that, and just talk about the present. This is where we are. We got to live in the moment. We've got to take care of the things that we have before us right now. And right now, let's enjoy this day of school. Let's make sure we start bringing back the relationships that we've so sorely missed. And I look forward to having a great year. For all you seniors, let's make this your special time. For all you sixth graders, welcome to our campus. We need y'all all here together, working with the teachers, the faculty, the staff to do everything possible to ensure the best educational environment possible. And I know from here, we're going to grow together. We're going to get stronger together. And I'm proud to be a Deerfield-Windsor Knight. Good morning. Welcome. Let's get back to work.
Hey guys, welcome to the 2020-2021 school year.
We're so excited to be back in person.
We're your co-presidents, Charles Peeler and Amelia Snipes, and we wanted to give a challenge to each grade before we started the school year.
Welcome 6th grade to the upper school campus. We're so excited to have you.
Yeah, welcome to the campus. We want to give you a challenge for this school year that's going to help you with the rest of middle and high school. In 6th grade, don't be afraid to ask questions and form study habits that will help you in the following grades.
All your teachers are here for you and happy to help you. 7th grade, start and develop your study habits now. Trust us, it's going to pay off in the long term.
Yeah, exactly. And 8th grade, just keep working hard and form study habits and good relationships with your teachers. That's going to help you with high school.
This is the grade that you're about to go into high school, and developing these study habits is really important because high school is where it also really counts and starts and everything.
And then 9th grade, you guys are in high school. You'll have to start forming responsibilities and good relationships with your teachers. That's going to help you in the following grades and in college.
Y'all need to really study hard and start off your high school career very well, because it counts towards college. I know y'all probably heard that 1,000 times, but you want to develop a good, strong first base.
10th grade, it's getting hard. You just got to keep powering through, studying, and keep your GPA at a good standard for college.
Don't slack off. Trust us. Wouldn't you say so, Charles?
Yeah, I would say so. 11th grade, same thing. It's getting hard. You got to start looking at colleges. Keep your GPA up, but don't forget to have fun.
Exactly. These classes this year are challenging for the junior class, but it's all worth it in the end, because these challenging classes at Deerfield will prepare you for college.
And senior year, to all my seniors,
we made it.
Keep studying, apply to colleges, but don't forget to have fun. Senior year is a blink of an eye.
The last times that we're going to be together, we want the school spirit this year to be awesome. These are our last times to form these memories and just spend all of our blasts together, you know?
And I know it's a little weird of a school year with the corona stuff, but if we all do our part and we're all diligent about setting examples with wearing the mask, the better it'll be for everybody.
If everybody follows these restrictions, It will help us in the long term to go back to what we used to consider normal. Don't let Corona define this school year.
We're all in this together, and do your part.
We love you guys, and go Knights!
Go Knights!